Is it possible to read Excel files with Powers library? Yes, it is possible, and I will show you how in this short video. At the end of the video, I will make a sample comparison between the read Excel file function in Powers and in Pandas. If you like this video, if you want to be a part of our community, don't wait. Click on the subscriber button and not forget to smash the bell button too. I will really appreciate that. Let's start with the actual part. Since now, if you open and search about approach how you could read the Excel data with Powers library, in most of the cases I'm pretty sure you will find out approach how you could read the data with Pandas library, and after that to convert to cast the Pandas data frame to Powers data frame and start to do the magic that you wish to do with the Powers library after that, which is really old and not good conception, because in the first versions of the Powers, read Excel function was missing, but it's already there in the library. I'm really happy to share that with you guys. Here in the Powers documentation, you could find out more details about the function, about the properties that this function accepts, about the new engines that they already added or changed on or upgraded in that function. Like for example, the last change that they already did about the Excel files and how you could really fast read them. This is the new engine type that they already add about this purpose, and in our demo I will show you what will be the timing if you read Excel file with 5,000 rows with default engine with Powers, and how could be with the new engine that they already added. Let's run this code. That is the path to my Excel file. Here we run and see what will be the timing if we run it now at the moment when we play the video. Yeah, and here it's 1 second point 29. What could be if we change default engine to the new version that they already added, and it's improved to read especially the Excel files really fast. Let's run now, and you could see what is the result. Less than second, it's a milliseconds, which is much faster if we compare the standard engine that the library have about the read Excel function and the new engine that they already added. This something that you should know that will help you if you want to use not default engine, the new one. Then first you need to install this library to pip install the fast Excel library, that it's the add-on up to Powers, and that Powers will use to reach the new engine, the new Calamine engine that they created. What will be if we use the Pandas in the same time? Here, before to compare read Excel function in Powers and in Pandas, let's go back to the documentation. Here properties are not so many. You could read, and I will leave a link to the Powers documentation if you want to go in little more details about the properties for this function. But yeah, here are not so many options like in Pandas, for example, as you could see here. What will be the timing if we run in really simple way the read Excel function with Pandas? As you could see here, we import the Pandas. Here was the Powers. Now we import the Pandas, set the timing to see what is the timing that we run this function and what will be the result. 2 seconds 2.46, which is double than the standard engine that Powers have. I mean, by default, when they create the function, they reach the purpose that they want, to be faster than Pandas. That is the core purpose of Powers, to be really similar for the usage, users to could use really easy and warm, and to start to implement it in them projects, and in the meantime to be faster than Pandas. But they not just create a function, they upgraded it, and the tricky part here is if you use the different engine, which is specially created to hold really fast the Excel data, then yeah, then the performance is really impressive. That is the positive. The positive between Powers approach and Pandas approach to read Excel data is the timing, 1 point for the Powers. But the positive about the Pandas and why we could choose the Pandas, yes, will be slower if we use this function. But here, if we go to the Pandas documentation, you will see how many properties you have, much more properties, and you could be flexible directly in the first step when you try to read the data, which is 1 point for Pandas to say. And yeah, which one of these two libraries it's better to use, it's up to you guys. If you want to have the flexibility, more properties and so on, you could choose the Pandas. If you want simply just to read the data and after that to start with the magics, then you could choose the Powers. It's up to you guys. And yeah, that's it. Really basic demo explanation. If you want to learn something other about this conception and approach, put a comment. If you have any questions, put a comment. If you want to go in more details, write me a comment and we could create detailed video about this function and others that are regarding Powers and Pandas. Why not? If you like this video, click on the like button too. Thank you for the watching, and I will see you in the next video.